Sia, sorry, Sia. Trust me, I don't know what came over me, Sia. I can't do without you, Sia. You know I can't do without you.
Aroma, you are already doing without me. What do you want? I can't even forget about what happened the other time. You slapped me. You didn't even let me explain. Aroma, why?
Why? That is the question. Why?
Everybody's talking about us. That's what you wanted,
Sia,
right?
I keep asking myself this question. Why did I even touch you in the first place? I don't know,
Because
Sia.
you wanted to. Aroma, if you really loved me, you wouldn't have done that. You know what?
Sia, please. You know what? I'm very sorry. I touched you with these hands, right? I have punished myself. I don't even eat with my right hand again. Yes, because that's a punishment I want to give to myself. To show you that I have regretted every single thing I did. Sia. I'm sorry, Sia. I'm very sorry. I cannot date anybody in this school, Sia. It is you that I love. Sia, I love you. Please.
It's not love, it's lust. Aroma, I don't trust you.
Let's not drag this thing, Sia. Please. Hey.
So what do you want me to do now?
I want you back in my life, Sia. Please, I don't want you to be going out with that monster, that guy. Sia, please. I love you.
That monster is my Aroma.
Sia, please. Hey, please. Please. Sia, please. If you don't want me to die, Sia, you have to come back to my life. Because if you leave, Sia, I might die.
It's fine, stand up. Like, you shouldn't
No,
be like
no,
this.
no, no. I want to be here,
Let's talk
Sia.
first. Stand up.
Are you sure?
Yes, let's talk. Stand up.
So I should stand up.
Yes. Okay, fine. I'm going to accept you.
You're going to accept me back? You? Thank you very much, girl. Thank you very, very much. Thank you.
But
Thank you. But what? Yes, I won't do it again, but I'm not going to do it
Aroma,
again.
that's not the case. Calm down.
What?
I can't leave Mike. I can accept you and then I'll date you also. I mean, if you're cool with that, you can stay. If you can't just walk away. That's so simple. Because I can't leave him. He's my boyfriend. He didn't do anything wrong to me.
You can't leave my J. So you mean you're going to date two guys at a time?
Aroma, I'm not forcing you to be in this relationship. You get it? I'm just saying I can't leave him. So if you want to walk away, fine. If you want to stay, I'm okay with that. You know, he didn't do anything to me. I can't leave him. You can walk away if you want. If you don't want this relationship, okay? Like, I'm not forcing you to stay. You came back for me to ask. Why are you crying? Why are you making me feel bad?
You are not forcing me to stay, Sia. Now you want to date me and my J at the same time. I left Precious for you.
Aroma, you called for this. I never asked you to call I never asked you to break up with Precious.
I did that because I loved you, Sia. That girl wronged me in no way. Precious did nothing to me, nothing. But I left her for you because I loved you.
So now I'm the bad person.
Why do you want to take my J? Why?
Because he hasn't done anything to me, Aroma. Stop crying.
It's okay. I'm fine. Hey.
Don't cry.
Fine. It's okay. I'm fine. Fine. I'll be fine. It's okay. You can go. Heard you. I'll be fine.
I'm sorry, okay, but this is how it's supposed to be.
You, Sia. I love you. I really do, Sia. I'll be fine. I'll be fine.
Yeah, I'm in Punk when I'm in the party they come my way. Oh yeah.
So now listen up, guys. I want to tell everybody you are here. We are moved from here. Ye free ha. As I had the Marco hostel now, yes, no. Some more than a moye near my name and a moye and wahano. You move rock or another. Would your wow show your bema? And I want to cook. How's our yawa tense no? From move free ha, the family and Kona di Yana ha. Moha Jenny Ana Motania rent you. Ana ya rented. Ana Motana rented. I rented. Atia ya rented no. My rented one no. And to me, I'm on the board for to say rented not every year.
And a rented.
Why are you laughing?
No, I'm not laughing, but they rented.
Someone make ready. Then you have to get some
No,
yo, come on, what's your Maggie? Let me catch it on. Some of your things when I'm way, yo, Hano. Somebody would hey, Ajiwa, why are you standing there? Come and stand here. Come and stand here. Shh. Shh. Come and stand here.
Say the pressure is the difference one. Difference one.
Mesremo, baby, I move back on. You am somebody. You're suffering, Lasso. Oh, she. Atiti when you for Australia now, name Skumana, the old when you are Quabo Seco Quabo. You are yin, I mean, what a we are Kisai Kiddy Seminole. What lie, Yapunonka? Lomo, dear Lomo. About Lomo, what lie? Today, catch them and one year going home. Well, oh, look at your face. Are you swearing? But you swearing? But you said no.
So you broke Sunday. I am for you.
But she's swearing. Abigail, she's married.
Smile. Smile. And you smile.
Shh. It's a move Africa. It's in what Jim Mohammed rented house owner. No, you move Africa. And what securities are there? CBC cameras. Shut up!
Allah offensive by electoral.
Your mother. Your mother.
Offensive by natural.
Are you crazy? Stand back. Stand. Come in front.
About by it.
Mama Chow, the old one and what was in the episode.
Now see if any move up on.
If you say you move up with new apart, I go still.
That idea is my friend.
Around the born now still.
I couldn't any side your crowd.
Let them few. Now, say one you move up on the hand. My can be actually moving to the IRA.
And Gramonka Sancho Mopa.
I mean, if you are making a
hard drink,
I don't know.
Oh, my drink. Hey, women inside the awesome. Well, school, you come out when you name my crab, a moon in a declare near Hontoye.
I will make sure, Mamma, I wish you were around the big.
Say, everything I my old and I say, Tima is saying,
you move my catching to be a young boy, not to say, no, Marco, because it's a rented with energy. Ah,
Schooners almost were out during that move.
Stop, can't you see? Huh? Stop! A man after so catch them, and you know that's all catch them. See, a man now press all catch them. I know fiance Sam. It's no more boy, Mubia, Namonia Mubia ready. You be move up. Any question?
I'm so poor. We didn't know if I said school mamma or passive one or more temporal school.
Bien will be to me a chimp now. I may we am more fast to run out chimp now. Not that makes you say, I may have Baba. I'm a soon. What lies to ya for Nonka?
no be the no fast but be sua de no. Also ba be twem na wa bona.
Jadi. What you You ask any question? Any question? A person who say question? No question. Who say hey? Who say hey? Abigail, you say hey. But you say hey.
Ma kro we see you hwini. Sa my game, you
Yes, how be call
baby e be transfer bi o ko bi.
So what be your own kidney sem? Oba
Say you get kidney dey blebo.
na dey
Kidi.
eje
Na wo ba wa bon wo be ka bi.
yemko wo dey yemko no ja wo mo
What tell school what feri say?
yemko no mo don paboa no
Say na mbo na brand be. Ethiopia.
Hweye wo hwele say dey ye poto so ade what mene na isi
Abrobo si
ana mo
aba.
bisa mo support ni mo ho
Tom si che no be na cancel.
Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me yeah. Me person me come.
Say you pay at you. I can say you pay a car. What do you say?
No, queen.
Oh, Royal Street is somewhere pool party in Tianka. Maybe say me and what do you say?
Okay, fine. But I'll say weekend too.
Sir, I didn't you.
Because when I say weekdays, there's no money or your home side. Things say weekends near better than weekdays.
What you say? You students, and sir, you're quiet. You're some bearish. Timothy, I say. I make us some fat swimsuit in my or that be on Saka now.
Saka. I think say okay.
You okay? Shine a fit and say nobody need change them. What you say?
Mate yebeko, but they na make no. Mse campus and the boys na me pesa your lines me no ye bibia. Pesa obeka mu bia ti me pesa dem John boys yo mo nam campus oni omo ye equal lines and no mo catch.
Bennett me. E catch obi kwa anka nyankopon ti ameka. Hwe, awo me na body we na me de bebo John. Na me ke kana opoku mo makonkonsan mo de me na. Debi. Many ye bi o Bennett. E many ye bi. Ye ni cool like. Na my yard ye na me ton. Debi. And me nya guy bi wana. Me kan show bi.
It's not by so a guy and as say. Go on found baby me baby o ka catch guys na I say oh you good and I say wetin happen me and I say the same dem person.
Kawakuma to yem. Ite de meka. Odada. Obie ni obe hu. Me say o pese me say me nkwan ya. Debi. Enye sa na idi ago. Catch you.
Mo call lines and I'm catch mo na fufu.
Baby, I don't mean Yagana. Sure. Bible no crack or say in something come here, they say if I'm crying.
Now, some of the day we are my
Sure. Debbie. Yes, sir. You will probably pass it. Now, may tone me some now. Will be here to say, you're intimate. You see, Debbie.
Therefore, Pacho, it's your Biaboko. You good?
Good.
All is good?
All is good.
Yeah. What's up? Lady Diana. Oh, everything cool. Lady Diana.
Yo, bro. You are seeing in the room.
It's okay.
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah, me need to be at home.
I'm sure. I will do one.
Oh, me have 20 bar. Me got
20 bar.
20 bar.
Charlie, you are seeing in the room. I will give you. Right, I don't get one.
Oh, it's me.
Oh, me said any bisa.
Oh, I no go get.
Nah, right there, no go get. Yeah, you do it. So left. You do it. Okay. I'm sorry. What's me copy si kama no? Me pay 100 the big bona no. Sir, you want. Full idea. You know you can't. You go see. You go smell pepper for you.
Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me yeah. Me person me come.
Please. I've seen something.
What have you seen? All these one. I've seen something and you're not saying anything.
Please, I'm begging you, exercise some patience for me. Because I know that the moment I tell you, you'll be extremely enraged. Sir, it's about Venice.
What is that about this?
Sir, you see, I saw her at the house having in fact, a very affectionate conversation.
With who?
With what's the name of that guy? I think Intim. He's popularly known in this school as Kiddy.
Kiddy.
Yes. He has some braids in his hair.
That fair colored
Yes, sir.
boy.
Yes, sir.
Hey.
Yes, sir. In fact, I think they are trying to keep it a secret. But sir, as you know, nothing goes behind Fanfula. So sir, I just had to bring this information. Yes, sir. Sir,
Are
in
you
fact,
sure?
sir, I'm very, very serious. Sir, in fact, I wanted to even go and then confront him about the matter because what he's doing, I cannot allow him to do this to such an esteemed, distinguished gentleman like you.
But I can't make the head or tail of the whole thing. Why would Bernice do this?
Sir, it appears her eyes have gone looking somewhere new.
Somewhere new?
Yes. It
What
appears
can that
she
boy
wants
offer her?
more
That small boy.
companionship.
What does he have? He doesn't have anything.
Sir, I see it as youthful exuberance, sir.
But this is serious. I take care of her. I give her
Sir,
virtually
I'm aware.
everything that she needs.
Sir, I'm very aware.
She doesn't lack anything.
Yeah, it's true.
Bernice.
Sir, please, what do we do about this matter? Sir,
Bernice, why? Why?
or sir, if you would permit, let me go and confront the guy about it.
No.
But sir, what he's doing is totally unacceptable to you.
Yeah. I'm not disputing that, but I know how to handle him. Hey. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Fanfula, thank you very much.
No problem, sir.
Thank you.
Not a problem at all.
You know I like you. You keep calm. Monitor their movement, whatever it is.
No problem. Sir, like I
Let
said,
me know.
nothing passes under Fanfula's eye without him noticing. All information would be brought to you.
Okay.
All you need is to send for me and we can have any discreet meeting about this matter, sir. You must not worry, sir.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay,
I'll sort you out. I'll sort you out. Okay? I'll
no
sort you
problem,
out.
sir.
Try to pass by this evening. I'll sort you out.
Okay.
See, what you do when you my busana? After my big na be 2 minutes, me one no. Ready asema. Killer. Killer see the my emre killer. Me woo, bro. Why me woo fi school ha me woo na asema san, bro. Adai onu obi wa asema na wo be woo no. E be sim say, killer ni my Jane kasa. Me sere no won twin hu fi si ya ho, bro. Hey. Wani da su di akire. Wani da su di si achi. Akwa we kura di asem kura ni. Now hard guy no ma kura kitikiti oba kitikiti we tete uzano. Bra obo wo yi yese ya no foma wu. Enne oba kura ka so opel ne da sen na obie na no aka se mintimi ne wontena biem. Ade a wu ye obe ye sa no anwie school. Bra ye ba school mu afoforo ye kan nimdefo a omo no maben a. Do now ye enkurabo ne sem ye tutura sem ba ka se nimdi a wo ye number 1. Precious the first, no the second. Who the first, not precious. Now the precious first and second na mo kon. This time around me kura yetimi years and time me kura ma be di 5. Now won nam 20 something. Enya fe. Bra. See ya na hu ni sa no. Sese na wakodi my Jane nsem no. Sempo se eba se na adwen sese wo ba back kura na bra. Sa first don unya biem o. Mepe, who dem mepe. Mepe onja na chidi. Onja ma chi adi na do on family for granted.
And sa my Jane na ni ti passe se parcel office no. No why yira diem se why yira diem a. Adi se bia excavator na bia anabia towing car na adi se be tow ni saba ku firi wo. Ding se my Jane yira diem a obetu mu. Inti minim ade a metima kan. Ebetima ma my Jane Jema na betima ma si adwen asase. Fisa mini si akasa. My Jane ankasa na mini na tentam bro. Mini my Jane tentam tise me ya se me ye ni gidigidi. Me mpa bo apa me no de me ye o. Ogwa. Wambo me ba me kan form se ne waje title no fun sem. Suma de se wona na ukura title. Omo na title no. Omo mi o me mpa bo waye no de na me ye form ba mama. Inti bro my me imagine sen kan me ye ne hard way. Still na bro
Mr. Udeni nkasa say me panacho me.
Oh no, abisem ya the too much. As India line na ba obalisem as na fanboy sem na don say fa wano ho na boleris. Ene ma pe na fanboy sem bi mo. Hwe. Ene no ya boleris kwabna ne chi oba gina ho a oye ne west atim to oye ne west. Eno se say ma sem ba bi adu no. Na wo ko gina ko ye fanboy sem fanboy. Chat fanboy no the pace, fanboy no the pain e twam. This time around, Mukuifon discard the Omo the lowest jade. Ah, to say the did the extra Mukuifon discovered to get through some more. Boys, to say, a man, but I'm on farm one fair one is I don't know. But Mamma Castle Oba, so Obaka, so qua, Johnny Manenco, because Okodadano and now upon a chon was our tears as well Bobaka. The Akan I are 13 problems. Any money who it is also a qua, that Mimi dear foot on the one, Kajan Manenco.
Opoku. Mini see ya hono. Na nye so onhame o. See ya hame, see ya create tough time e de mame. Bana mi minim kwan me fa so ano. Into the maje ninja na chidi. See ya me hame. I like that, bro. Me pese oba na o de o mbetiti ma bra bo na mi mu fi wiase, bro. Charlie, see ya.
Fan boy say. She fan boy. Your color pay put out. One more bar way. Kiti way. MS your life.
I don't understand.
Or tete akura we timi jan wanim ka say hey found quite the same film so akura ketwa we yo kenya asem ne yan say they would say a girl of your caliber.
I'm not a girl, bro.
A girl of your
girl, bro.
A boy of your caliber say they would say jina we anko ama akura kiti we tete what am ate yeso yonku bi sinua na yonku so da no da nti menene be kwa akura say fine and fan so a me ne what's about for?
It's about the try. Right. Try.
Oh, may try. Right.
That's
open the power.
Dumb, bro.
Hey, into over, sir. Huh? Beres.
Mama dear na my.
Meet me show where maybe so mamma so. Into hey, akola ketwa. Ya say sa boy in team no sa our brand team na obo nti ona say there. Nare, dear na
It's not true.
What's not true?
It's not true. Seriously, it's not true. They're just lying.
Who is lying? Who is lying, Benis? Tell me, who is lying?
The person who came and told you that I'm dating it.
Benis, you are doing that.
I'm not doing it. I can't do that.
The person cannot lie. I know the one I'm talking about. You didn't lie to me for anything. Benis, why? Why are you doing this? I take care of you. I give virtually everything that you need. You don't lack anything. Hey, let me tell you. This, I mean it. If you're not careful, I'll call your mother and tell her. But what do you think?
But it's between the two of us. Why are you going to call my mom?
It's between the two of us. That's what you think.
It's not true.
What is not true?
Wasted, I even called you. Your wife answered your call, so...
Fine, you called, my wife answered. So, does that mean you should go chasing small boys?
I'm enjoying my youthful age. Let me enjoy it.
You're enjoying your youthful age? Meaning, you are really going out with that boy?
It's not true. That's not it.
Hey! I pay your fees. I clothe you. I fill your box.
I'm not saying you are not doing any of that. You are doing it, but it's not true. Whatever they are saying, it's a lie. I can't do that.
Oh my God.
Yeah, me I mean, the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm embroso with me, yeah. Me
Kanti. Yes, pleasure.
I want to really discuss an important issue with you. Don't like the fact that people don't know about us.
How?
I want us to let people be aware that we are dating. We have to tell people about it. When somebody asks me about my boyfriend or something, I'm going to mention Scanty.
Yeah, Precious. I get what you mean, but you just have to take your time.
Why should I take my time? I know I'm the one who told you that we shouldn't be telling people, but now I'm the one telling you that I want people to know about us.
No, you know what's up now. You know what my uncle can do. Say change.
Do it.
Precious.
He wouldn't know about it.
No, the more people get to know about it.
Oh, come on. There are so many things that people do in the school. It's not our dating that is coming to cause a whole stay in the
Because
school.
I was just telling you these same things some few days ago. And you turned your back on me.
Now I've
And
realized
now that I have also realized you were right, you are now telling me we should just...
I've also realized that I was wrong.
It's not going to help us, Precious.
Why isn't it going to help us?
My uncle is not that cool as you see or think. He don't mind for me being his son, his nephew. He will take us to the headmaster.
He wouldn't. Sir Chains, he's doing so many things that we can report. So he's not going to report. Sir Chains is not going to do anything.
Precious, he's going to do something.
No.
He's going to do something.
Why are you making this difficult for me?
Like I'm saying, he can even report us to the headmaster.
He's not going to report us. But if he reports us, how does it affect the administration? As long as we are dating and doesn't affect them, there is no way they have to complain about us.
And you know it's against the school rules for us to be in a relationship. We are in high school.
Is that what you're telling me? Then if it's against the school rules, let's break up. Or leave me.
Precious!
Or leave me.
Precious! Precious!